This has been a terrific year to talk about tax reform on both the federal and the state level. And I think what a lot of people miss is that all of the changes at the federal level are going to have dramatic impacts potentially on the states also. And so each of the individual states is going to have to determine, based on their own economic circumstances, whether they will stay connected to the federal changes or whether they will decouple and go their own way. Many states are facing revenue shortfalls, and if there's an opportunity for them to pick up some of those shortfalls in the short term, they're very apt to want to go their own way, at least in the first year or two. This may well be a once-in-generational opportunity to affect tax equity and simplification. So there's a lot of pressure on Congress to do something and to do something quickly. I would advise them to keep in mind that any change they determine to make will have tremendous administrative impact on the state agencies that ultimately have to deal with this. So I would encourage the members of Congress to keep in mind that there will be a lag time toward total implementation, and there will be a cost associated with these implementations. The Internal Revenue Code now has some 77,000 plus pages. That is mind-boggling for the average taxpayer, and in many cases in the corporate arena, it's also extremely confusing. What is the correct way to comply? So I'm very hopeful that we're going to see a lot of action, not only in the area of tax equity, but certainly in the area of tax simplification.